beyond Culebra, you can even see St. Thomas today. No.
Oh.
See that?
The little islands over there.
No,
Islands there? Yeah. Beyond Culebra, like to the left side, in the back, there's a silhouette of a mountain there. That is St. Thomas.
See all the way over there in the back?
Yeah.
That's St. Thomas over there.
Only a few days of the year you can see St. Thomas. Because it has rained so much.
Like that island way in the back.
Yeah, you can.
That's St. Thomas.
This on this side, right?
Right. You see the silhouette in the back?
Yeah.
See my camcorder? A little silhouette of the island. You see two silhouettes?
Yeah.
That's St. Thomas.
Está detrás de Culebra. No es aquello allá. Está mirando en la dirección.
It looks small.
Yeah, it is small. But he's saying way in the back.
Yeah. So this whole area here is part of a nature reserve because leatherback turtles come to these beaches to nest. Leatherback turtles are the largest turtles on the planet. A mature turtle can be as wide as 9 feet wide and weigh 1,800 pounds.